guys. So today we are going to Goa um, for our first anniversary. So I'm planning to cover both South Goa and Goa. We're planning for 4 days. So yeah, today we are going by train, and while returning we'll be coming by flight. So I'll be plan a budget travel, like how to travel by train, how to stay in the retiring room. So these all plan will be covered in my first vlog. So keep watching. We are cooking paneer pulao for our journey, so we'll not have outside in the train. So our lunch is packed now. We have kept barista separately. Now we have reached Yashwantpur station. See here, Vande Bharat Express is going somewhere. We don't know. Our train is around 3 p.m. So we have reached early. 1.5 hour early. Yashwantpur station. रास्ते में कौन सा स्टेपेज है? कावेरी। पुलिस स्टेशन। So I am still doing my office work. Everyone is almost sleeping. You should also sleep now. Hi guys, we have reached Madgao stoppage. Now we are going to the retiring room. Morning, we have reached Madgao station. So this is the retiring room. We have booked for 6 hours. 4 से 10 बजे तक है. See, quite beautiful, right? 800 rupees is worth. Double bedroom. Window, cupboard, इधर cupboard, here cupboard, mirror, 2 chairs, table, TV. Almost everything is there. Quite clean also. अच्छा ये. Here is the dormitory room. Okay, so people are coming bachelors, so they can book dormitory. It will cost around 300, I guess, for 12 hours. ये है भाई मडगांव स्टेशन का व्यू. नीचे स्टेशन, ऊपर रिटायरिंग दिखाई दे रहा है. आई लव गोवा. भूख लग रहा है भाई. We're going to have something. Hi guys, so we just returned from having the breakfast. We had one bread omelette and one tea we had. just to get fresh. Now we have got fresh and we'll take rest for some time. Okay, after waking up, we'll discuss about the dormitory and the retiring service in Madgaon railway station. So basically, I asked the guy at the reception for 24 hours. If you have to take, then it will cost around 1500 for you, and the dormitory will cost around somewhere around 800 to 900, I guess. So dormitory is that is preferably for boys. I mean, a group of boys, college students, and retiring is for the couple and one family of 3 members. Yeah, that's all. So tomorrow I'll just ask the reception guy about the dormitory, how much they are charging. I think this is the best option to have, like you can directly reach to Margao station in the midnight and stay in the retiring room. Yeah, probably you will end up paying only 1500 rupees. So outside, if you go to the hotel, that will take around for the early check-in, midnight check-in, they might cost you 2500 something. So I guess this is better for us. Good morning, friends. Now we are leaving retiring. Today we are moving to our hotel that is booked near Kolwa Beach. Yeah, so that is like almost 6.5 kilometers from here. We'll be reaching by 11 o'clock. I don't know, check-in is around 12 p.m. So I don't think we'll allow or not. Let's see.
Meters, turn left at Peda Junction.